Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Navistar Executive Vice President of Commercial Operations, Joran Nyberg.
Hello everyone and welcome to sunny Las Vegas. This location was selected specifically for this event to showcase how bright of a future we have for Navistar and International. We're happy to have you here in person as well as on live stream to celebrate the launch of our latest solution on our path to sustainable mobility. Since coming back to North America, I've spent my first 6 months talking to a lot of customers, gauging their concerns about the changes that the industry is facing. This isn't the first time the industry has faced change, but this time the change is different and quite significant. Several large customers that I spoke to are trying to figure out how to satisfy their demands to reduce the carbon footprint while still driving bottom line profit. In speaking to customers that operate trucks in support of their core business, a recurring theme is the need for simpler solutions from the OEMs. Solutions that allow them to focus on their efforts on meeting the customer needs, whether it's getting groceries to the store shelves or delivering materials and equipment to a job site. And I've talked to several customers that just want a capable, reliable, and flexible commercial vehicle solution which allow them to meet their customer needs on time, every time. Today, we will answer these questions and many others that have arisen from customers that is facing the challenges. We are here today to shift what is possible in the heavy-duty truck solutions. And we are launching the first Traton Group product in North America, one that was designed from the ground up to deliver value on a global scale, not only from a design and performance perspective, but as a foundation to how we do business in the future. Today's fleet owners, many of whom have joined us here today, have the incredible difficult task to reduce carbon emissions and at the same time deliver profitability. We are here to meet that challenge on a global scale as we accelerate the impact of sustainable mobility to create greater value for our customers, of course, our company, our society, and finally, our employees. The all-new International Powertrain delivers a major milestone in the movement toward carbon-neutral transport. The S13 Integrated marks a new chapter for International. It is the first Traton Group premium powertrain to be introduced to North American market. The S13 showcases the customer value a global powerhouse can deliver. And I'm here to set the stage for how our new optimized powertrain will benefit our customers by achieving maximum efficiency and, of course, increase profitability. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to present to you why we deliver the best powertrain in the Class 8 industry. So let's start with some major headlines. The S13 Integrated offers fuel efficiency gains up to 15% compared to the first generation International A26 engine, which was launched only 5 years ago. The T14 automated manual transmission is a critical part of the powertrain and has unlimited gross combination weight. And the T14 is kind of the brain of the powertrain, optimizing the performance of the truck, providing a best-in-class performance, adjusting itself to the loads and the road conditions. We are also focusing on improved aerodynamics. By evaluating the complete vehicle, we have significantly improved aerodynamic drag of the International LT series. We have a new grille that, of course, looks like a refresh look, but it's also improved the airflow for the truck. We have full-length chassis skirts, which allow the airflow to run smoothly along the chassis side without leaking through any openings. We have added wheel archer closeouts and modified lower skirt trims, which restricts the underbody flow from venting through wheel arches. And finally, we have a roof extender that eliminates the airflow in the gap between the tractor and the trailer. On the driver's side and interior side, we are introducing a fully electronic parking brake that also automatically engages if the driver forgets to set the vehicle and trailer parking brakes. We are also introducing a steering wheel airbag, a new 9-inch sleeper mattress, and a foldable upper bunk to enhance the environment for our drivers. So the S13 is the catalyst for us to provide simple, comprehensive ownership solution for our customers. Our new optimized powertrain paired with a comprehensive ownership solution has a long expected product life with an excellent residual value, truly resetting the standard for total operating economy. Navistar's connected solutions, our own command connection, which is our remote diagnostic platform, comes as a standard on all international vehicles with the S13 integrated powertrain. This seamless connectivity solution adds to the vehicle's performance and, in the end of the day, the total operating economy, with an ultimate ambition to reduce unplanned downtime to zero. Backed by North America's largest state-of-the-art one-stop dealer network, customers will always be supported in all their powertrain and vehicle needs. And as I said before, the S13 integrated introduces a simpler way of doing business with us. We are offering a 5-year powertrain warranty, alongside with a wide collection of additional warranties and extended service contracts. This will ensure our customers' time and attention is dedicated to what matters the most, their business. In closing, the S13 integrated powertrain is the foundation how we will do business with you and the basis for our comprehensive ownership solution, the most advanced powertrain we have ever produced. The S13 integrated delivers superior operating economy, stellar performance, simplicity, and finally, an increased serviceability. And you will see all of this during the day. And I'm confident that this powertrain will be the best in the industry. It will be the leader powertrain. Now, I'd like to welcome to the stage Navistar's President and CEO, Matthias Karlbaum.
Let's up then. Hello, everyone, and most welcome. I thank you all for joining us, both the ones here in person, of course, but also the ones following us on the live stream. I'm so glad to be here with you today. And I do echo and join Göran in his full confidence that the international S13 powertrain will be the best in our industry. Let me take you through why I believe so. At Navistar, we do have a vision of accelerating the impact of sustainable mobility. And the S13 integrated powertrain advances that vision by setting a new standard for efficient, profitable, and sustainable transport solutions. It's not only the most efficient powertrain we've ever produced, but it's also a milestone on our journey to the ultimate goal of zero emissions. So, we're not here today only to launch a new product, but truly to mark a new chapter for International. We know that there's been a lot of changes happening, both at Navistar, but primarily the ones happening at the marketplace. Navistar, we are under new ownership, and that brings us the possibility to share and co-develop cutting-edge technology. It also allows us more than ever to invest heavily in the future in North America, both when it comes to products and services. But above all, the market we live and operate in is also changing. It is often said that in the coming years, coming 10 years, the changes that will happen are bigger than the ones that have happened the past 100 years. We're moving at an unprecedented speed towards a data-driven, autonomous, and zero-emission reality. We think that change is good. We like the change. We embrace it at Navistar because we see it as our opportunity to create a profitable impact on our customers' businesses, on our employees, in society, and also in the planet we all live in. What we do know with certainty is that what wasn't believed to be possible before, now we see it is. That sustainability and profitability will go hand in hand. Let me share today also some brief words of our strategy. Navistar, we're focused on a number of core strategic initiatives in the coming 5 years. And I'd like to highlight 3 that are truly linked to the S13. Number 1, as heard before, sustainability. We do have clear ambitions that by 2030, 50% of our new sales vehicles will be zero emission. By 2040, this number will be 100. Said that, we're here today launching an internal combustion engine. There is no conflict in that. On the contrary, the internal combustion engine will be required for many years until the electrical vehicle can be fully adopted when we have an available cross-country infrastructure in place. So as a group, we've designed the S13 integrated powertrain to ensure it's as sustainable as possible without ever compromising anything on performance. This powertrain marks the greatest leap toward carbon neutral transport ever made by our company. And I'm certain that this powertrain is the most efficient that we've ever developed. At the same time, I can also stand here today and say, this is the last combustion engine that we will ever develop. So, as the saying goes, we've kept the best for the last. Being a group-developed engine with all the competency of more than 300 years of combustion engines have been put into creating this engine. We've put, only in North America, hundreds of millions of dollars into this, manufacturing, IT, development, and it is the biggest project in this company in more than 15 years to bring the S13 to North America. The second point in strategy is around customer uptime. All of us in this room know that uptime and performance goes so much beyond the hardware. And that's where our future value proposition goes. It goes very far beyond the product. So our commitment at Navistar is to keep our customers on the road and be the most profitable operators out there by choosing international. Our commitment of that is firm. We're making this notable shift from offering products to providing solutions. You will, as a customer, experience custom-made solutions, including predictive maintenance, predictive repairs, insurances, connectivity. It will all be packaged and presented in different leasing proposals, subscription models, uptime guarantee contracts that will be introduced with the S13. We will customize each individual solution to the customer so that you as a customer can continue to put your efforts into winning in the ever so competitive landscape of transport and logistics of today and the future. Simply put, we're delivering the best value proposition and lowering the risk you as a customer need to carry, allowing you as customer doing the most efficient, being the most cost efficient to bring the right stuff to the right place in the right moment. Well, it's all about logistics. Third and last initiative that I'd like to touch upon is the expansion of our future captive financial services. To meet this demand for new technologies and future businesses, we bring captive financing again to North America. Starting October 2023, Navistar will offer a wide range and extensive finance and leasing solutions to our customers and to our dealers. So those were the three areas of strategy that we truly link to the S13. But before passing the microphone over to Michael, just some words about the common group solution. The group solution that we have now behind us is based on commonality. The commonality on a global scale brings you world-leading technology at a speed that would never have been possible otherwise. Commonality and modularity also brings a wider specification offering. Just think about it as Lego. It makes it easier for me to understand that all the interfaces are common, and that enables more options with less parts. The S13 is the start of that commonality, modular thinking that we'll bring into Navistar in the years to come. And the S13 has been developed collaboratively amongst all the group brands and validated by a North American team. By that, some appreciation, I would like to congratulate first the Traton Group in this first introduction of many to come of products into the North American market. And I like, secondly, to congratulate the Navistar team for all the hard work and the dedication you've put into preparing this product for where we are today. You have earned the right to be proud for many years to come as this powertrain gets into the hands of our customers starting next year. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank the International Dealer Network for having stood firm through the turbulent times we now have behind us. Great times lie ahead of us, and we will pursue the leadership hand in hand together with you. Last, but most of all, truly thank you to our international customers. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for your business. You can all count on Navistar's unconditional support, commitment, and dedication to make your business successful. With the S13, we raise the bar for the sustainable growth journey ahead of us. And Navistar is and will be more than ever together with you on this journey, side by side. With that, I'm coming to the best part, to the show that we'll all be waiting for, the reveal of the S13 integrated powertrain. Let's welcome on stage Michael Grahe. The show is all yours. Take it away.
Hello, it's my pleasure to be here in toasty Las Vegas with you, to share with you the conclusion of a project that I'm very proud to be part of. While every powertrain features integration, ours is additionally built on collaboration. Personally, I've been part of this project from the very beginning, more than 5 years ago. And we worked around the clock on this integrated powertrain, quite literally. When this project began, I was head of alliance management at Traton. Living in Sweden at the time, we spent many long hours that went late into the evening in video conferences. And I know many on the Navistar team who began their workdays quite early so that we could have enough time to connect. I can tell you from firsthand experience just how much work has gone into the definition, development, design, and introduction of this product. This integrated powertrain will deliver superior performance through combining the best of the best, global collaboration, and being tailored to the North American market needs. The S13 integrated powertrain demonstrates Navistar's commitment to accelerate the impact of sustainable mobility. The transition to zero-emission vehicles will, however, not go from 0 to 100 in one step. As Matthias mentioned, we aim for 50% of zero-emission vehicle sales by 2030. Consequently, the other 50% will be traditional powertrains. It is therefore imperative for us to also deliver increasingly efficient traditional propulsion technologies that allow Navistar to continue the path toward a more sustainable future. The S13 integrated powertrain is designed to be the most efficient and the most reliable powertrain ever launched for the North American market. It demonstrates the achievement of dramatic advancements in fuel efficiency, reliability, maintenance intervals, and drive quality. And beyond that, it showcases the successful development of a comprehensive solution to best serve our customers and to bring this solution to the market faster than ever before. With this integrated powertrain, we are setting the foundation for the next generation of vehicle technologies and comprehensive solution we will offer to our customers. So by now, you're probably thinking, when am I going to see it? Without further ado, the International S13 integrated powertrain.
When the right pieces come together, the impossible becomes possible. So we brought together a global partnership, the brightest minds in the business. And then we started from scratch to build something that broke barriers and conventional wisdom. It didn't happen overnight. Our ambition was too big, our goals too high. So we put years of engineering into it, over 4 million miles of testing behind it, pushed it to have a cleaner impact on the environment, to bridge the gap between where we are and where we're going. And it delivered up to a staggering 15% boost in fuel economy. This isn't the first powertrain we've ever built, but this is the one drivers and fleet owners might say is the greatest. The S13 integrated powertrain from International Truck. Shift what's possible.
So let the nerdy engineer talk for a second. A thing of beauty, right? So let's take a closer look at the strengths of this premium integrated powertrain. In the TRATON Group, we have deep roots in innovation and collaboration while putting customer needs at the center. The way we achieve this is through a modular system concept. The principle behind the modular concept is to combine different performance steps of subcomponents via standardized interfaces to achieve a high degree of customization with very few components. In other words, we offer more with less. On one hand, we never compromise on customer choices. On the other hand, we need a limited number of components to achieve desired outcomes. To balance this challenge is a challenge, but believe me, these challenges are what motivate Navistar engineers. Consequently, we can focus our engineering effort on these specific components and increase performance and reliability, and we are doing this on every level. This new way of designing increases speed to market, improves overall product quality, and produces optimum reliability. Sounds very logical, right? Yet, as always, the devil lies in the details. Luckily at Navistar, we can use the know-how of our sister brand, Scania, which has applied these principles for decades. And Scania was a very good teacher. So where did we start in developing the international S13 integrated powertrain? With a blank slate. Clean sheet design in collaboration with the TRATON Group allowed the development of an integrated powertrain with unmatched efficiency, reliability, and performance. Each component of the S13 integrated powertrain was developed concurrently to ensure maximized compatibility and integration between all systems. Not only did this holistic approach to the integrated powertrain design optimize integration, but it resulted in some incredible achievements like significant improvements in fuel efficiency up to 15%, considerable reduction in CO2 emissions, and an incremental weight reduction of the entire system. The S13 integrated powertrain maximizes performance and capitalizes on efficiency made possible through the superior design built from the ground up. This fully integrated system is made up of 3 components: engine, transmission, and aftertreatment. The design allows each individual component to focus on doing what it does best while performing in harmony. Now I'll take a moment to highlight the design and performance of each component. We start with the engine. The International S13, a 13-liter engine. When it comes to the international combustion engine for heavy commercial vehicles, we see the future as a predominantly 13-liter market, as it offers the best weight-performance ratio. The S13 engine is designed with SCR technology as the primary emission reduction technology. There is no EGR cooler on this engine, which means 100% of the exhaust flows to the turbocharger in normal engine operating conditions. The S13 also features a fixed geometry turbocharger, allowing for a reduced system complexity and increased reliability. The S13 operates on low revolution and high torque, which equates to fewer fuel injections, lower parasitic losses, and consequently, less fuel consumption. And when it comes to performance, the S13 delivers up to 515 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. This engine has proven undisputed efficiency through combustion efficiency. The second component we'll take a look at, the International T14, a 14-speed automated manual transmission with a planetary gear set. The T14 transmission has 2 crawler gears, complete with deep low-end gearing and shifting smoothness, which delivers the efficiencies of the direct drive in an overdrive package. The T14 uses an electronic clutch actuator integrated with the engine controls to deliver faster, smoother shifting. This transmission was designed to be a fully automated mechanical gearbox, which allows for optimized shifting, through integrated software controls. And gear shifting is perfectly matched to engine revolutions, always. The T14 showcases smooth and quiet operations with shift-on-the-fly capabilities in numerous applications, a combination drivers will certainly enjoy. And lastly, we have the after-treatment system with a dual-stage SCR in a one-box design, which delivers significantly improved emission control and fuel efficiency. Since an EGR cooler has been eliminated from the engine, less soot and particulate matter is generated. This allows for extended service intervals and eliminates the need for active regenerations. All these design aspects make the after-treatment system an easily serviced, simple, reliable solution. These three components combined create one fully integrated system designed from the onset to outperform the competition and deliver exactly what our customers need. This integrated powertrain was designed to deliver the proven performance, reliability, and sustainability our customers want. And we are taking care it meets the rigorous standards our customers expect. So we are running extensive testing throughout North America. Before the S13 integrated powertrain goes into serial production, this product will have logged more than 4 million miles in field testing on North American roads. We are testing in vast terrains, everything from the desert of Arizona to the frozen tundra of Alaska. We are throwing everything at it that is out there. This integrated powertrain will have more than 300,000 hours dyno validation under its belt too. And to top it off, the S13 integrated powertrain will be manufactured and assembled at our Navistar Powertrain plant in Huntsville, Alabama. This is why we are so confident in the superior reliability of the S13 integrated powertrain. Today marks the culmination and recognition of countless hours people dedicated to the development and implementation of this integrated powertrain. First and foremost, I want a moment to recognize the commitment from our R&D team at Navistar. Their efforts in development and partnership with the Traton Group have made this integrated powertrain and this launch possible. Thank you to the Navistar procurement team, who has also worked endlessly to learn and adapt to a modular system while obtaining all the parts necessary to bring the S13 integrated powertrain to life, localized in North America. And a huge thanks to everyone at the plant in Huntsville too. Your facility has undergone major expansion, and we are thrilled to have you building this new integrated powertrain. And finally, thank you to everyone at Navistar and worldwide who is helping with the S13 integrated powertrain to accelerate the impact of sustainable mobility. Okay, enough for me. At this time, I'd like to pass it along to the experts to explain collaborative design, testing, and validation of the S13 integrated powertrain. Team, take it away.
I'm going to try and be bold, but not too bold. The S13 powertrain will reset the standard for the industry.
Two teams who didn't know each other and they came together. There's a lot of differences in the culture, into the values, into the perceptions.
Being clear about the nuances of the North American market versus a European market and trying to bring that to the table so that we could be successful together was definitely part of that journey.
We had a good mix of Swedes and Americans. They really had to work hard to get the results we needed.
When I first heard of the S13 and the global program, I was really excited because this is really the first opportunity we have to have a truly global engine.
We want this product to be something we're proud of, and we are proud of the S13 and what we're going to see in the customer base. This is a way to do a refresh on a powertrain offering that's really pushing boundaries on every technology that you can put into a diesel engine.
Navistar, for the first time, will be developing its own in-house, highly efficient transmission.
We have a newly developed electrical clutch actuator that is very perceivable when you start and stop and go the vehicle. The transmission has significant difference in that it has a very low starting gear and an overdrive. The key to the technical concept of this powertrain starts with the aftertreatment.
And this particular after-treatment system will allow the carbon to get oxidized on its own.
If you have the right conditions for your catalysts, temperature and right amount of depth dosed into the catalysts, they take away all the NOx for you. And if you know you have that, you can develop the most efficient engine in front of that after-treatment.
The improvement in fuel economy also helps the sustainability targets of our customers. It is a significant step. It allows our customers to transition into the next generation of powertrains.
Sustainability has been very important for us for a long time, and this powertrain helps a lot.
When you take a look at the fuel economy improvement, it's a significant increase. But when you also take a look at the uptime and the level of integration of the engine and the powertrain, improves drivability, improves performance, and it really gives the drivers exactly what they're looking for.
The most important aspect for our customers, that's uptime. That's the reliability of the product.
We've had this engine running in dynos for hundreds of thousands of hours. We'll have completed millions of miles of durability from the baking heat of the desert to the frigid north of Alaska and the high mountain altitude of Colorado. We've taken this product everywhere. Bring those two blends together, fuel economy, diagnostics, and you end up with the excellent product that we have today with the S13 powertrain.
It over-delivered to what our original requirements and expectations were.
The fleets and the owner-operators could expect a powertrain that will exceed their performance expectations. With the fuel economy improvements and the impact on TCO, they'll see it on their bottom line, but they'll also see it in their routine maintenance and in their uptime. The engine is as simple as it can be, it's easy to maintain, it's easy to repair, and when it's up and running, you won't even notice it's there.
This project is an example how the both engineering teams can work together and can deliver the best product in the market.
I'm very proud of my team for what they've been able to do.
I'm confident that this powertrain is going to be the best in the business.
Thank you. Now, before you break into your rotations to learn more about the S13 integrated powertrain from the experts, let me close by saying it is the best and the last internal combustion engine that will be designed from the ground up by Navistar. The S13 integrated powertrain has been designed through global collaboration and validated for our customers in North America. When available in the marketplace, it will be the most efficient heavy-duty powertrain in our industry. As the world and our industry continue to change at incredible speed, we grabbed a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to shift what's possible in a tangible and profitable way to accelerate our impact on sustainable mobility. Thank you.